Today I will be using African shea butter, which is creamy. I love the creamy feeling of this shea butter. It leaves it nice and smooth in my hands. I'll be using Jamaican black castor oil, some safflower oil, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil. I have some vitamin E, lemongrass. I love the lemon smell of this, especially in my DIY shea butters and oil mixtures. I love it. I have some lavender oil, some tea tree, and also some eucalyptus. So these are the items that I will be using in my moisturizer mixture today. So I have my shea butter already mixed into the bowl. So now I'm going to start adding my oils. So first I'm going to use my olive oil, and I'm just going to pour it in here. I'm not doing any measurements. I hate measuring. I just pour. So now I'm going to use my carrot oil. Now I'm going to put some Jamaican black castor oil in here. That looks great. Okay, so I'm going to do my avocado oil. And be sure to get the bottom, because you want to make sure that all these oils get in this mixture. I'm going to use my safflower oil. Oops, I'm using a very generous amount of that. That's my favorite oil, by the way. So now I'm going to do my lavender. Nice amount of drops in there. That lavender smells amazing. So I'm going to use some tea tree. The tea tree smells great as well. And make sure I do a nice amount of drops in there. Now I'm going to use some eucalyptus. Make sure I get in there really well as well. And now to my favorite, the lemongrass, because I love the smell of lemongrass. I love the way it smells in my hair, in my mixture. I use a lot more lemongrass. I want that lemony smell in my hair. Like, even when I finish, I think I'm going to go back and just add some more and just make sure it has that great lemony smell. Okay, so now I'm ready to mix. I have my nice little mixer here. I'm going to turn my baby on and let's get the mixing. Oops, I turned it off. This blends all the oils together in this shea butter. And oh my goodness, you can smell all the goodness blending together. This smells awesome. Shea butter was already creamy, not grainy at all. So this is going to work well. Putting this in my hair so it's nice and smooth. And I also use this in my daughter's hair as well. Keeps our hair nice and moisturized and soft and manageable. You can also use this on your body as well, but I just prefer to use it in our hair. Let's see, back up a little bit. You can see. Just sit here and just move around. This is the difference with my hair using my own product. I like to use different products here and there, but when I find something that works for me, I try to stick to it, especially if it's something that I'm doing and I haven't spent a lot of money using it. And this lasts a long time. It lasts a couple of months, especially for both of us. So a nice little batter that'll last us a while. Okay. So let me turn that off and let you see. It just melts in my hand. Nice and soft. Smells great. And that, my friends, is how I do my DIY shea butter mixture for my natural hair. Thanks for watching. Bye.